Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we want to integrate this, right? We have integral sine root x over root x dx. Okay, so this is what we do. We say let u equals to root x. And then if u equals to root x, it means our x equals to u squared. Okay, so how do I get it? From u equals to root x, we square both sides. If you square both sides, the square here will cancel the square roots, and then we have our u squared equals to x, and that is where I got this from. All right, so now let's differentiate this. Let's differentiate x equals to u squared, and then you know that becomes dx du equals to, when you differentiate u squared, it gives 2u. All right, remember in differentiation, when you have u squared, then this becomes 2u2 minus 1, and that is 2u. Right, so when you differentiate u squared, it becomes what? 2u. And then from here, we can make our dx only the formula by cross multiplying. Right, so this will actually give us our dx now will be 2u du. All right, so that is what our dx is. Now let's rewrite the integral in terms of u. We write the integral in terms of u. Let me write that. We write the integral in terms of u. Okay, you remember that what we have integral sine root x over root x dx. That is what we have. Okay, by the time we now replace or we substitute for all these, then it becomes integral sine, what is our root x? Our root x is u now over u. And then what is our dx? Our dx is now 2u du. Okay, so 2u du. All right, so from there, we can cancel out one of the u's. All right, so this u here, we cancel one of the u here, we are left with 1. All right, and then by the time you multiply this, we have integral 2 sine u du. All right, so by the time we multiply this is what we have. So from here now we can integrate. Let's integrate now. From here we can integrate. All right, so we want to integrate this sine u du. Okay, we want to integrate this, or this is what we have. Okay, by the time we integrate this, we have 2 minus cos u plus c. Right, remember that when you integrate sine x, it gives what? Minus cos x. And then here we have sine u, so if you integrate sine u, it becomes minus cos u, and then of course your constant. So if you multiply that, we can write this to be minus 2 cos u plus c. And then remember that we have to substitute back our u to be what? To be root x. Remember that our u is equal to root x from the beginning, so we have to substitute back u to be what? Root x. So from here we have minus 2 cos, what is our u? Root x plus c. Right, so this is our final answer. I want us to try this. Let's try this. Now let's integrate root x over cos root x dx. All right, so let's integrate this and write our answer in the comment section. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comments, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. See you next time.